Rohan, how have you been going with your e-ink project? I know you just got your seed delivery.
This is typically where Rohan says it's been put in the back burner, but
yeah,
it has not. I've gotten it to a place. It's unplugged right now. So for those of you that are watching it on YouTube, you can see a ton of reflection here. But I've got it going on. This image was pushed from Image via Home Assistant into the driver that is now running ESPHome and displayed on the screen. So I've made really good progress with it. There's still a couple of things that I need to a couple of kinks that I need to iron out. But yeah, it's and then just I've been traveling a lot for work these last couple of weeks and stuff like that. So it's kind of taken a backseat because I didn't really want to travel with it in my backpack and potentially ruin it, whatever. But yeah, it's going really well. I am going to document all of this in a blog post, which I have mostly written up and had to re-edit like 17 times as I realized stuff wasn't working.
Nice.
There's like, here's how Rohan wants to do it, and here's how it actually ended up. And I'm trying to document that whole thing, just in case people want to do it. But my end goal is to say, hey, I'm going to just say, here, release this. And it is a color e-paper screen, which is really cool too. So my end goal is to say, hey, look at this. And if you want to build it yourself, here, just download the code from GitHub, and here's how it all works. And essentially use the blog post as instructions on how to do it. So that's kind of my idea. I might, again, depending on time, I might maybe I'll take a couple of quick videos or something like that. Maybe throw some shorts up. If you care for me to do that, let me know, and I will. And yeah, I don't know. It's coming along pretty swimmingly. I also need to put it into an actual picture frame and make it a picture frame.
And make it nice looking.
Make it nice, exactly.
Yeah.
I actually got I think it was Gemini. I don't know, some LLM to generate me a 3MF so that I can just go in and download. I don't know if I did 3MF, but whatever. I got it to cat out a picture frame for this. And I was just like, hey, based on this, I haven't tried it yet. Just because, again, my time has been split between my day job and traveling and all of that, between Austin that we just talked about and a couple of other places for work. But yeah, hopefully in a few weeks I can things settle down in a couple of weeks and I can
smash it out,
finish it off. Yeah. So, but shout out to Claude Code who did a lot on this.
A lot of heavy lifting there.
Yeah. Like it's writing, like it literally wrote drivers for this, because this display is not supported in ESPHome today.
Right.
So, and I wanted it to be native ESPHome wherever I can. So, that's it. My goal is to power it by a battery. So,
nice.
Ultra long time, whatever, or try and see what I can get out of it. But trying to get batteries up here, I've realized like higher capacity batteries is somewhat challenging, annoyingly. So it's like there's like literally one choice, and I don't trust that brand to not blow up. So well, here we go. So that's going to be my next challenge. But that's it.